Hi, Nicole. I really like your logo. I don't think you need to do much to it all. The floating head doesn't bother me, but if it bugs you, consider just putting in like the adorable little Peter Pan collar. Maybe even you could have it, some of it sort of go over the dotted lines. So I don't have a problem with any of it. I think you made good decisions. Your type design is strong. The face is adorable, and I especially love the hair. It's so thick like that. You did an excellent job of drawing it. My only suggestion is consider making the stroke lines consistent throughout. It has a more polished look and it'll work um, better at a small size. So let me show you some examples. So I just found this random, I guess it's the AWWW Awards. But as you start to scroll through some professional Legos, my kids were just up here, logos, you start to see there's a consistency in stroke width, and it just seems to make a tighter, bolder font. And one thing, or font, sorry, logo. And one thing it does for sure is the contrast of it pops off the page. If you have too many small details, they will really get lost in a small setting. Also, if you want to reverse out the logo, that's another thing you can think about. What if they want you to make a grayscale version? Will all these details work on black and white or gray? So that could also be another selling point for trying to get the stroke size all the same. Anyway, a lot of these are just, incredibly clever words. But again, you can see the strongest ones are very simplified, one stroke width throughout. See how nice that is? So if they had made the body of the cat a different width than the camera, I think the strength of that logo would be lost a little bit. And mostly because it turns into more of an illustration with more depth when you start to dabble with colors and again stroke weights and so forth. So if you want more of a flat stamped style logo, consider doing that. All right, so this go through, just type in best logos. Sometimes you can type in illustrative logos, and there's a zillion million examples. But those are really my only suggestions for you. I think you've done a terrific job. It's very strong conceptually, and I think you picked the best part of their product to turn into a logo. All right, let me know if you have any questions.